To Robert and Gianna's party. That's Franklin. You can't even see him, but
I'm light
yeah, he light skinned, but you can't see him. And then Justin and Gadar is in there, but yeah, it's mad dark out. We on Robert's block.
So who's gonna be taking a picture of me? Oh,
sit here with Reggie. And that's opening pizza, and then go Justin. No, and that's Delvin in the back. And that's Jasmine.
Help me open it.
Go Justin. And go Franklin. Go guitar.
You trying to start this shit?
It's not a camera. This is recording. Yeah, I'm trying to take pictures of all y'all asses. I don't see no more pictures of y'all. Go Shalana, who walked in. Go Marcelo and Jackie. It's Franklin. Go Delvin. That's Delvin. Delvin is drunk right now. I got you right there. House party. Franklin is chewing pizza with a bottle in his hand. I don't know who they are, but that's Brandon in the back. Go Justin.
If you're coming in and out the door, please make sure you close it. The last person in, the door's been open, like wide open, like a bunch of times. So just make sure if you're the last person in, bottles and stuff. If you don't, like if they're empty, don't put them in that garbage. Bring them to me. I'll dispose of them. Because I do have parents that will be home in the morning, and I'm not trying to, you know, get in trouble behind this party, alcohol and shit. If there's anything I need, let me know. Have a good time. Okay.
Sexy. You still recording?
I ain't taking no pictures of her. Ali! You're in the moment right now. Ali! Say hi. My cousin said his booty got bigger. Essence, I'm not happy with you again. I'm not happy with you. You want me to tell the DJ? Gianna, Franklin. That's Ebony on the couch. Alista's bumping. He's still bumping. Marcelo's bumping. Ali's bumping. Marcelo's bumping. Ali's bumping. Marcelo. Ali. Oh, get that shit, Marcelo. He won. Oh, wait, still freaking it. At least he'll get his two-step on. While Marcelo found love in the hopeless ways.